Does boiling vegetables in salted water really make a difference? It's a question that has echoed through kitchens for generations, and today we'll explore the answer. Cooking vegetables is a crucial step in preserving their flavor, texture, and nutritional benefits. Among various cooking techniques, boiling in salted water often stands out as the healthiest method that maintains the organoleptic qualities of the vegetables. When boiling vegetables in salted water, a series of simple steps are followed. First, select a pot large enough to hold the vegetables without overcrowding them. The water should be adequately salted to flavor the vegetables, but not so much that it makes them overly salty. Once the water comes to a boil, add the uniformly cut vegetables. Overcooking should be avoided to prevent the vegetables from becoming too soft and losing their nutritional properties. A good tip is to plunge the vegetables into boiling water for just the right amount of time to make them tender but not overly soft, typically between 5 and 10 minutes, depending on the type of vegetable and the size of the pieces. After cooking, it's advisable to drain the vegetables and run them under cold water to halt the cooking process and preserve the color and crisp texture. This also helps to retain heat-sensitive vitamins and minerals that can be lost during cooking. Boiling vegetables in salted water is a simple yet effective method for cooking them in a healthy and tasty way. This technique allows the natural flavor and nutritional benefits of the vegetables to be preserved, making it a preferred choice for many chefs and nutritionists. In summary, boiling vegetables in salted water is a fundamental cooking technique that enhances the flavor, texture, and nutritional value of the vegetables. It involves choosing the right pot, salting the water appropriately, boiling the vegetables until tender but not overly soft, and cooling them under cold water immediately after cooking. This method is not only simple and effective, but also helps to preserve the natural qualities of the vegetables, making it a favorite among health-conscious cooks. So the next time you're preparing a meal, remember these steps and give your vegetables the treatment they deserve.